Glass fruit cutting ASMR videos are going viral right now, and guess what? I've made a few myself using free tools that you can access too. Stay with me, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Step 1. Unlock free access to Veo 3 and Geminai Pro. Before we dive in, it's super important you watch this video first. It shows you how to get free access to Veo 3 and Gemini Pro for a few months. You'll see the link on your screen now or in the description. Without this step, you won't have the right tools for this tutorial, so go check that out first and then come back. Step 2. Creating with Gemini Pro. Once you've set up your accounts, let's start with Gemini. The most important part? The prompting. I've prepared a list of creative prompts you can copy, paste, and tweak to your liking. You'll find them in the description below. Just paste your prompt into Gemini, make your adjustments, hit generate, and boom, your video is ready. These videos are usually under a minute long, which is perfect for trending short-form content. Let's preview it. Amazing, right? Now let's download it by clicking here. Step 3. Creating with Flow Veo 3. You can also use the same prompt on Flow Veo 3 for even better quality. A quick tip to save your credits: set it to generate just one video at a time by selecting one. You can choose between Veo 3 Fast or Veo 3 Quality. From my experience, Veo 3 Quality gives the most satisfying results, but feel free to experiment with both to see what works best for your style. Click the send icon to start generating and give it time to finish. Now, once done, you can upscale the video quality for free in Veo 3. Then download. So here the two videos with the same prompt side by side. To make this super easy for you, I've shared a bunch of ready-to-use prompts in the description. You can start with those and customize them to create your own unique ASMR visuals. If this helped you, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more viral content creation tips. Let me know if you create one. I'd love to see what you come up with. Please remember to watch the access video first. Use the prompts and experiment with Veo 3 and Gemini Pro. Let me know which one has the best quality. That will be it for today's video. Happy creating!